Hi everybody! Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix blocked file on Chrome, so you can easily download the files you need without any issues. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, go to Settings, then click on Privacy and Security. This is where you can control Chrome's protection and download preferences. Step 2. Next, select Security. Here you will see three options: Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection, and No Protection. Chrome usually blocks files when the browser is set to Standard Protection. Step 3. To allow the download, choose No Protection and confirm by turning it off. Once done, try downloading your file again and you'll see it added to your downloads list without any block. Step 4. After your download is complete, it's a good idea to turn your protection back on for safety. Simply go back to the same security settings and switch to either standard or enhanced protection. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tech tips.